Morning, cow. What's today?
And
What's today?
cake.
What is it today? Whose birthday? Whose birthday is it?
Come on.
It's your birthday.
Yeah.
Wow.
Is that Kita?
No.
How old is Callum today? How old are you today? Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you
3.
3? Hooray!
That one?
That one.
Do you want to go and see if there's any presents for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You getting it?